this video, we're going to understand how the pay bills section works on the vendor center. You're going to be choosing vendors, and on the fourth item down, you're going to see the word pay bills. When you open up the pay bills as it is in this example company file, you're going to see a couple options to where you can actually look for on or before a certain date that the bill is due, or you can show all of your bills as well too. Right next to it, you'll see filter by, and you can see sort by vendor. So if you wanted to see all of your vendors, it's going to show all of your vendors. If you wanted to see a specific vendor, say CU Electric, you're only going to see CU Electric. So you have that option of choosing, as I said, all of your vendors to see where your bills are, or you can actually choose specific vendors. On your sort by, you can even look by a specific due date. You can look by discount date, vendor, amount due, discount used, credits used, amount to pay. So if you wanted to choose amount to pay, as for instance, you can see everything that's going to give you the same information as all of your vendors. Now if you want to, as I said, look at everything, all you have to do is just choose all vendors, and it will show you everything that you need to see here. From there, you're going to see every single bill that you have entered. You have a reference number, which is often your bill number, or you have a discount date if you actually have an option to pay early and get a discount on that particular bill. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.